Hello and welcome back to Medicine Notes. Today, I will be discussing the different sizes and colors of IV cannulas and their uses. In this video, I will cover the following topics. IV cannulas are used to administer fluids, medications, and blood products directly into a patient's bloodstream. They come in different sizes and colors, which indicate their diameter and flow rate. The largest size of IV cannula is the 14G, which has an orange color. It has a flow rate of 200 to 350 ml per minute and a diameter of 2.1 mm. It's commonly used for patients who require rapid fluid resuscitation, blood transfusions, or who are critically ill. The 16G cannula, which is grey in color, has a flow rate of 100 to 240 ml per minute and a diameter of 1.7 mm. It's also used for patients who require rapid fluid resuscitation, blood transfusions, or who have larger veins. The 18G cannula is green in color and has a flow rate of 60 to 120 ml per minute and a diameter of 1.3 mm. It's commonly used for patients who require larger volumes of fluid, multiple medications, or who have smaller veins that are difficult to access. 20G cannula is pink in color and has a flow rate of 33 to 80 ml per minute and a diameter of 0.9 mm. It's commonly used for adult patients who require medications or fluids to be administered, as well as pediatric patients or patients with fragile veins. The 22G cannula is blue in color and has a flow rate of 20 to 50 ml per minute and a diameter of 0.7 mm. It's commonly used for patients who require smaller volumes of fluid, medications, or who have smaller veins that are difficult to access. The 24G cannula is yellow in color and has a flow rate of 12 to 25 ml per minute and a diameter of 0.5 mm. It's commonly used for pediatric patients or patients with fragile veins or for patients who require smaller volumes of fluid or medications. The smallest size of IV cannula is the 26G, which is violet in color. It has a flow rate of 5 to 15 ml per minute and a diameter of 0.4 mm. It's commonly used for pediatric patients or patients with very small or fragile veins or for patients who require very small volumes of fluid or medications. It's important to note that the appropriate size of IV cannula is chosen based on factors such as the patient's age, weight, medical condition, and the reason for the IV therapy. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. See you in next videos.